Hello, in this video, I'll teach you everything that you should know about using template literals in JavaScript. Let's get started. Hello again and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to use template literals and string interpolation in JavaScript. So this syntax allow us to manage strings or to output variables in strings in an easy way without using a lot of syntax. Once you understand how they work, they become very useful. So on my screen here, I have an open app.js file, then an index.html, then the console here where we're going to test the code. So uh, I'd like to begin by creating a simple variable. Maybe we call this variable name, which is a string, and the name is Joe Do. Then I would like to output a message. Suppose that's what I would like to output. Then in here I have a string, hello. Then I would like to add, so this is before, what you used to do before in all the JavaScript. So suppose I wanted to bring this into this string. So what I would do, I would use a plus sign, then I would place the name here. Then suppose I have something else, I would place a plus, then I would have a quote, an exclamation mark, and then we can try to console.log, we see what happens. So we log message and it gives us the name. So think of a situation where you have so many variables that you would like to output in this string. It becomes complicated. Then we have the before and after here. Now here come in the template literals and string interpolation. So we use the backtick. The backtick on your keyboard, in Mac, I guess it should be command, then the backtick sign. Then like in Windows, you simply press the backtick. It's just like the quotation mark. How we use this? Suppose I would like to change this text. So I will use the same message down here, but now I comment out this. So I would like to change this string here to use this template literal. So what I would do, I would get rid of this part. Then I begin by the backtick, then hello, hello. Then in here, I place the dollar sign and the curly brackets. Then I put the name here. This is how you output. Then I can go ahead and as well add the other part. Then once I console log it, it gives me the same. I can also add an extra variable here. So age, which is equal to maybe a number which is 21. Then in this, I can just say age is, then I just do a dollar sign, then curly brackets, then I put the age, and Joe Doe is 21 years old. So basically, if you compare these two types of syntax, this is very easy to use. So that's what template literals are about. So they are simply a way to define strings using backticks, which gives you the ability to interpolate variables directly into the string without causing a nightmare. Especially if you're dealing with a long kind of code, it becomes very difficult to deal with this kind of old syntax, the using plus. So then, and also when you're dealing with mathematical calculations, you are likely to confuse this plus for string concatenation, adding the strings. Oh, that word. So back now to the string interpolation, or using these template literals for multiple lines of string. Suppose we have a message, we can call it let long message be equal to, then we do the backtick, then this is a very long message. So then we console log this long message. So we do that, then we console log, and it gives us, if you have a string that is in multiple lines, this is how you do it. Like you can have a paragraph. Suppose we get some dummy content. You can have a paragraph, a whole paragraph of dummy content. So let's try that. So I'd like to just uh, dummy content. Now we grab some text from wherever. So I'd like to get this text. Then we copy that. Then we close this. We don't need that. Then put it in here and we close that. Then if we console log this, it gives us this paragraph. So simply, if you're dealing with a string that is multiple line, backtick syntax and template literals string interpolation makes a lot of sense. So that's it for this video. If you found this useful and you understand what the backtick syntax and string interpolation in JavaScript is, or you find value in this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Check out other videos on other JavaScript and web development tutorials. Thank you. I hope by the end of this video, you've learned something new about using template literals in JavaScript. If you did, kindly consider giving this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.